My name is Jia and today we're going to be making a Dak Bungalow chicken. It is from the British times and my Dadi used to make it. She learnt it from her Dadi. So let's begin. You can read all about the Dak Bungalow cuisine in our June edition of Seniors Today. Check it out today. We'll need chicken, some dry masala that includes salt, dhaniya, haldi powder, red chilli powder, akkha daniya, Kashmiri mirchi, cinnamon, star anise, cloves and Elichi, Dahi, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, mustard oil, garlic paste, ginger paste, some boiled potatoes cut in cubes and boiled egg. Take the chicken in a big bowl, add some yogurt to it. Make sure to then add red chilli powder, haldi powder, dhaniya powder, salt. Now add some mustard oil. I have used a small spoon, but you need to take 2 tablespoons. So I've added 3 small spoons. Now add ginger paste, garlic paste, and give it a quick stir. Mix it up nicely and leave it to marinate for 2 hours. We'll have to bhuno the dry masala. In a pan, put some Elichi, cloves, star anise, cinnamon sticks, and the Akkha Kashmiri mirchi, and the Akkha Daniya, and roast it. Bhuno it nicely, and then put it in a mixie and grind it with a little bit of water. Now add oil in a big pan, mustard oil in a pan. Let it heat and then throw in the boiled potatoes. Fry these boiled potatoes till they are golden brown and remove them. Next, put in the boiled eggs in the same oil. Be careful of the splatter. Let these get fried and put them on the side when they're nice and crispy golden brown on the outside. Now in the same pan, add your dry masala, Elichi, cinnamon stick, cloves, Kashmiri mirchi. Once this has bhunoed, add some chopped onions and let those chopped onions cook. Once the chopped onions have become translucent and cooked well, add in the chopped tomatoes, the finely chopped tomatoes, and give it a good mix. Mix up those onions. Look at that. It smells beautiful right now. The tomatoes should become really mixed well with the onions. And now add your dry masala, haldi. And now mix the haldi in nicely. And now add in some dhaniya powder, some red chilli powder, and mix that really well. Once you have mixed that beautifully, you can go ahead and add your chicken that has been marinating. Make sure to take all the masalas out of the marinade and give that a quick stir. Stir that nicely. Let all the onion masala get coated on the chicken. Once you have stirred it, before you add the water, add the masala, bhunawa masala to the chicken and give it a quick mix. Stir that nicely all around the masala and the chicken. Make sure the chicken is nicely coated in the masala. Now lid it. After sometimes we add water, and then we put in the boiled potatoes that we fried and the boiled eggs that we fried and stir it in nicely. We didn't add too much water. We added like 1 glass of water just so that the chicken could cook. And there you have it. Dak Bungalow chicken curry.